Hello guys, ayan sa nakikita nyo, dito naman tayo, walking around na naman tayo guys. Ang init. So kaninang umaga umulan tayo, ngayon is very hot. Today is very hot. Hi Langga, oh, say hi. Nahiya pa siya. Ayun guys, ayun. So enjoy lang talaga ang init guys. Ha? Oh, oh, shout out dyan. Hello, thank you so much, maraming salamat. So yun lang guys, have a good day to all and everyone, keep safe.